sing to you, so birds and fairies all welcome. Joy is felt, this much is true, a symphony of love unspoken. Hi, welcome to ArtAngel. It's poetry time again. Today we are looking at an ode. The word ode means to sing or chant. That is why I was singing. Yeah? Next time I'll try to chant. If we are to define an ode, we would say that an ode is a poetical composition which can be set to music and which is meant to be sung. The form of an ode is that it has at least two stanzas or more. So an ode has two stanzas or more. And we know that each stanza usually has at least 4 lines. Okay? So right away we can see or begin to picture the image or imagine what an ode, the shape or form an ode can take. So we are seeing stanzas. What's a stanza? A combination of lines is a stanza. And an ode has two stanzas or more. It's meant to be sung or to chant. So you can sing an ode, you can chant an ode. Therefore, the lyrical composition takes a very poetical form. Now, in the form of an ode, we can also look at another aspect where an ode is usually sentimental. It has sentimental qualities and it's usually stylish. Like a lover, like Romeo writing to Juliet and saying, "Oh Juliet, I love you. Your lips are like rose. Yeah? I wish I could bathe you and water you down with a hose." Right? It's poetic. It's stylish. It's expressing love, which is a sentiment. So an ode is therefore sentimental and stylish. It is created with the intention of celebrating or appreciating a person, place, or an object. The structure of an ode is that in each line or stanza we must have a rhyme. So each line must rhyme with another line. But we don't want the first line to rhyme with the second line or the third line to rhyme with the fourth line. We want the first line to rhyme with the third line, and we want the second line to rhyme with the fourth line. Yes? Okay. So that's the structure of an ode. I've written a two-stanza ode for you entitled Awaken. And incidentally, that's what I was singing at the beginning of this video. Hearts are opened to you. Surpassing fear, a soul awaken. Joy is felt, this much is true. A symphony of love unspoken. You captured my heart like a thief in the night. Now we can't be apart. Our embrace is so tight. Let's look at our first stanza and see if The last word in the first line rhymes with the last word in the third line. Then we will see if the last word in our second line rhymes with the last word in our fourth line. Let's see. We have hearts are opened to you, surpassing fear a soul awoken. Joy is felt, this much is true, a symphony of love unspoken. Our first line ends with you. Our third line ends with true. You and true. Our second line ends with awaken. Our fourth line ends with unspoken. Second and fourth, it's rhyming. Let's look at stanza 2. You captured my heart like a thief in the night. Now we can't be apart. Our embrace is so tight. The last word in our first line is heart. The last word in our third line is apart. Heart and apart. It rhymes. The last word in our second line is night. Fourth line is tight. So we have night and tight rhyming in our second stanza. If we create an ode like this, we have captured all the characteristics that is expected of us. Therefore, we would have created a beautiful poem that can be sung, that has a rhyming scheme, that is able to appreciate and celebrate a person, place, or thing. I want you to make an ode today. I want it to be able to rhyme, like we said, the first line with the third line, the second line with the fourth line in every stanza. You can create 2 stanzas or you can create 4 stanzas. Challenge yourself today and write an ode. Have fun. Sing your ode. Celebrate someone. Love yourself and smile.